Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is a quick announcement. Windows 10 Insider Preview Build 17666 is now released for the fast ring today, May 9th, 2018. It was just released a couple of minutes ago. So of course, we will take a look at what's in there. So as you see here, the install is now started. I will review it later today, and I don't know, I'm intrigued to see what we're going to have in this one, as they announced a few little things this week that might be included in this new build. So fire up your machines, skip ahead and fast ring, basically everybody, as everything is merged. 17666 now available fast ring. Just switch on your insider machines and let it roll. So we'll be reviewing that, of course, later today, and hopefully we'll see what's good, what's bad, and